Marin, what are you making? Show it. Let's see it. Really pretty, Mare.
I need snow.
Okay, we'll put more snow on it. Melena, you're not supposed to eat it, silly. Melena, smile. Melena! Melena, you're not supposed to eat it, sweetheart. We're gonna decorate with them. Melena, your house looks really good. Oh,
I fall off.
Okay, here. Perfect. Oh, it won't stop falling. Alright. I think the little sugar drop's too heavy for it. So we'll just not put anything else on it, okay? You can put another M&M on it. Oh, shit. Put it right there. Here, hold on. Let me put a little more glue. Now do it. So pretty. What do you guys want for Christmas?
I want a microphone so I can sing.
Sing the Superstar song for everyone. Do you remember it?
No. It broke, so we don't have it anymore.
Oh, well, what's your favorite song?
It broke apart. It broke this. We used to have a real gingerbread house that talked. And there was a gingerbread man.
Melena, what do you want for Christmas? You want pickles? All right.
Melena ate all the pretzels.
All right, wave goodbye.
Melena's eating all the pretzels. Bye.
Melena, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say Merry Christmas.